Yeah, so I got this new keyboard for Christmas. It's Bluetooth and it's dope as so naturally I want to mess around with it. So today what I'll be doing is actually unboxing this cool keyboard that I got for Christmas, because I'm actually going to be starting a series where I customize every key on this keyboard. And as you can see here, the keyboard actually comes with a mouse. And I think I'm going to actually do something with that too. This is not just going to be a regular series. This is going to be a theme series. And what should the theme be? I think I'm gonna go Disney. We're doing a Disney theme with this keyboard. So I'm gonna customize every key on this keyboard using a Disney theme, including this here mouse. Naturally, it's gonna be Mickey Mouse. Duh, Disney mouse. Okay, now that that's out the way, let's get the unboxing. I need a box cutter. 1 second. I'm back and I've got a box cutter. Alright, let's open this sucker up. The key to using a box cutter is that you actually should cut away from yourself, never towards yourself. Safety first. Alright, let's get cut. If you hear someone crying bloody murder, it's my cat. There's nothing wrong with him. I'm just in his room and he's pissed on it. Let me in! What the Oh, it's a hassle. Okay, great. Ooh, plastic. I like things. See, batteries in here. Probably the mouse, right? Maybe? I like that the batteries aren't sold separately. See, I don't like when you need stuff and they decide to not give you the stuff that you need and you gotta purchase it separately, but the thing that you purchase already costs, a nice sum of money. Just throwing that out there. Back to the unboxing. Ooh, the mouse. Soon to be Mickey Mouse. This reminds me of like when you go to your grandparents' house and they have just all this plastic wrap on the couch and it's like, when you gonna take the plastic off the couch? And they're like, never. I'm always going to keep the plastic on the couch. Plastic on furniture is like tacky as fuck. I hate it. You don't even have to sweat and you're sweating from sitting on that couch. Like, this should never happen. What the fuck is even this? Get that together. Are people still doing that? Are people still plasticking their couch? Don't plastic your couch. Why would you plastic your couch? It's like plastic on the couch. You're like, don't sit on it. And I'm like, it's furniture with plastic on it. It's a couch. Whatever. So we have this mouse. Ooh. I like that. It's very nice. Palm it. Look at that. A little underbelly. There's stuff under there. What is this? Oh, on. Oh, why is it already toggled on? Don't like that. It's probably dead. Oh, wait. There's no batteries in it. My bad. Oh, okay. It only takes one battery. It's not greedy. I like that. One and done. Cute. Nice. Let's put that back on. Okay, now look at the front. Ooh, I like this. That's just like the best thing ever. I don't know. I'm weird. Sorry. The mouse. All right, what else do we have? Oh, batteries. Do you guys see them batteries? They're like right there. Boom, batteries. They didn't want me to miss it. They're just in my face. Boom, battery. I like it. Oh, 3. Oh, wait. Okay. So we got a big one and then 2 small ones. So this has to be for the mouse. What is this thing called? I know it's like a government name for it. I just don't remember which one this is. Is this the AAA? It doesn't have a name tag on. How am I to know? GP Alkaline. Sounds good to me. Yo, what kind of battery is this? I'm so embarrassed. Grab the mouse. Sorry, I have to take your butt off again. Removes the butt. Insert here. Wait, plus minus. Put the battery in the butt. Put butt back on, secure butt. Boom. Okay, great. I toggled it off, so I'm not killing the battery. Let's see what happens if I turn it on. Does it like glow? Oh, nothing. It's almost as if nothing changed. Maybe I have to do more stuff with the keyboard. Let me see. These are the other ones, the smaller ones. What are these called? Why don't these have name tags on them? What the f is this? Okay, they don't want me to know. So this is the smaller one. I dropped it. We'll figure that out later. More plastic. I love it. Okay, here's the big reveal. The grand reveal. Ooh. The claw. To make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh, look, I almost missed. Look, this is where you plug it into your computer so that it can do the Bluetooth, thing. They don't want me to have it. Okay, empty box. Back to the plastic. The claw. Satisfying as hell, even though I dropped something on the floor by accident. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's upside down. Wait. Okay, now look at it. Love it. Admire. This is how it starts because it's not going to finish like this. I'm going to doodle all over this. What is this I dropped? Oh, some kind of instructions. Don't do that. I know how a keyboard works. I hate when they like trying to type you shit. Alright, so I imagine that the other batteries, the small batteries, have something to do with this. But also, how do you connect it? Like, because I'm trying to see if like the little Bluetooth part maybe. Oh, what's this? Oh, it has a kickstand? What the hell is this? Look, shit just happened. It has wings. Look, no wings. Wings. This bitch can fly. Oh, I'm loving it. I don't even know what it means. Oh, I love it though. Okay, great. Okay, wings down. So here we have a compartment where it looks like, a battery situation. It says eject. Does it say eject? Like, can you see that symbol? It just means eject. Everyone knows it. Insert battery. Insert second battery. Oh, what the fuck? Put the butt back on. How do I know, so I guess you just plug this in and then automatically that will connect the keyboard as well as the mouse to your desktop. Cool. Nice. That's the keyboard. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and or follow depending on what platform you receive this on this custom keyboard journey.